Anyone who has tried to lose weight knows just how hard it can be. While it can be fairly easy to pack on pounds, losing them can be incredibly difficult. People often recommend working out as a way to lose weight. While there are a number of health benefits to working out, regular exercise won't necessarily help you slim down. That's because exercise doesn't do anything to change the hormonal imbalances that often fuel weight gain and make it hard to lose weight. We offer a safe, effective way to lose weight without slowing down your metabolism or making you go through grueling workouts. We'll show you exactly how to lose weight without exercising. We have outlined some of the best tips for losing weight without ever setting foot in a gym. Slow down. Our bodies are complex and can be hard to understand. For example, our brains need time to process that we have had enough to eat. When you eat quickly, you may consume far more calories than you need before your brain has a chance to signal that you are full. Eat lots of protein. Protein is a powerhouse. Not only is it essential for our health, but it can increase feelings of fullness and reduce hunger. In this way, protein can help you eat fewer calories and lose weight as a result. Drink lots of water. Staying hydrated is key to losing weight. Many people mistake signs of dehydration for hunger and eat when they are thirsty instead of getting a drink. When you drink lots of water throughout the day, you can avoid dehydration. Keep unhealthy food out of reach. Let's face it, for most of us, if we have sweets, snacks, and other unhealthy food around, it is hard to not eat it. That can be a problem if we are trying to lose weight. But in many situations, you need to keep these foods around for other family members, guests, or a number of other reasons. Eat plenty of fiber. Fiber is fantastic for our bodies. Not only does it reduce the risk of certain types of cancers, it can also help to make you feel fuller. That is because viscous fiber, the kind found in plant-based foods, forms a gel when it comes into contact with water. This gel increases the absorption of nutrients and slows down the amount of time that it takes to empty your stomach. Subscribe to this channel as we bring your way different methods to losing weight without causing damage to your health.